and welcome to your Tuesday morning maths lesson. So very quickly to start, we're going to do some more subbitizing, but I'm going to use 2 dice to see if we can add 2 groups of numbers together. Now this might be a little bit tricky, but just have a go. Are we ready? Add equals 7. Add equals how many dots? 6. Add equals 4. Right, one more. Add equals 5 dots. Super. Again, if you have any of these at home, that's a game you can play, just subbitizing and adding how many dots there are together. So today we're going to do all about counting back. Last week we did counting on, so this week we're looking at counting back. So we use some of the similar skills. So to start us off, to get our brains going, we're going to count backwards from 20 to 0. Are we ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And don't forget that 0 at the end. So let's have a look at the vocabulary we're going to be using this maths lesson. Excuse me. We're going to counters. We're going to be using counters on our number lines again. Count back. So we're going to be using that counting back today. Jump. It's going to be jumping on our number lines still. Subbitize. We've just done some subbitizing there. And less. So when we're counting back, we're looking at less as well. So circle the number the counter will land on. And this time we're counting back. So we've got number 7. I'll roll my dice and it's landed on number 3. So I'm going to count back 3 from 7. I'm just going to slightly move this to make sure you can see the 1 as well. There we go. So I'm going to count back from 7. So we've got, so I'm going to start on my 7 and count back 3. 1, 2, 3. So if you start at 7 and count back 3, I'm landing on number 4. Right, let's do some of those super speedy. My counter is on number, can we see what number my counter's on? 1 more than 9. My counter is on number 10. My dice has rolled and subbitised really quickly. It's on number 5. So I'm going to count back 5. Put your pen on the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've landed on number 5. This number line here, what number is my counter on? Number 7. I've rolled my dice, it's landed on number 2. Number 2. So I'm going to count back 2. 7, so I'm going to count 1, 2, and I've landed on number 5. So let's have a look at some number stories and see how that relates to objects and put that into a context. I've got, let's have a look at these frogs. First, there were 6 frogs by the edge of the pool. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 frogs at the edge of the pool. I'm going to circle number 6. 2 of these frogs decide to jump into the pool. So one frog jumps into the pool and another frog jumps into the pool. So that's 2 frogs that have jumped into the pool. So I'm going to cross these frogs off. So I'm going to start at number 6 and count back 2. Are we ready? 6, 1, 2. So 6, if we take away and subtract 2 is 4. So 6 subtract 2 equals 4. And that's how we've done it on our number line. Let's have a look at our next maths problem. Which number will Anita land on? So Anita's playing on some stepping stones. Anita is on number 4. I'll write these again so you can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, she's counting backwards. She wants to play a counting backwards game. She's landed on number 2 when she rolled her dice. So she's standing on number 4. Which stepping stone will Anita land on if she counts back 2? Let's do that together. Anita's on number 4. She's jumping once. 1, 2. She's going to land on number 2. So let's move Anita to number 2 now. And now she's on number 2. Now we've got stairs and there's a ball. If you can see that ball, I'm going to circle the ball. There's a ball here. Where will the ball land? So the ball is on number 3. You see the ball there? If I circle the ball, number 3. It's going to bounce back. It's that number again. 2. So the ball is on number 3. And it's bounced back 2. I'll put the dice here. Can we see that dice there? 2. So let's write the 2. So I'm going to start on step number 3. And bounce back 2. Let's put the numbers on the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I go in at number 3, 1, 2. It's landed on step number 1. So 3 subtract 2 equals 1. So this is your Superstar Challenge. 7 is Hannah's starting point. So Hannah there is at number 7 on the number line. Which numbers could be on Hannah's card? So Hannah has got her card there. On the back is a number. She started at number 7 and her card is telling her to go back so many spots. So I'm going to, if you choose to do this challenge, I'm going to start at a certain number and I'm going to show my working out. So I've got 7 here. I'm going to put my 7 there because that's where I'm starting at. Can Hannah jump back 2 spots? So I'm going to start at number 7, 1, 2. She can jump back 2 and land on number 5. So 2 could be on Hannah's card. So I'm going to put that in a tick column. Let's do another one. I'm going to go for 5. Let's see if 5 could be on Hannah's card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've landed on number 2. So 5 could be on Hannah's card. I'm going to choose another colour now with my pen so I can see where I'm going. I'm going to try 6. Let's see if I start at number 7, if 6 could be on Hannah's card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 could be on Hannah's card as well. Shall I try? What number shall I try? I'm going to see if 10 could be on Hannah's card. So I'm going to start at 7. I'm going to use a blue pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, 8, 9, 10. 10 can't be on Hannah's card because I've gone too far. So I'm going to put 10 in the cross pile. So that's just investigating what, if we're working backwards, what could be on Hannah's card. Because on our number lines, we've got 1 to 10. Can't go past the 1. So if you want to do the hardest challenge, challenge number 3, that's a challenge you're going to look at. Thank you for listening and I hope you enjoy your maths for today.